Welcome everyone. Today we are going to resolve the issue of source file could not be found in an ASP.NET project in Visual Studio. When you rename a copied file, the names of classes and code and designer files remain unchanged. Instead of renaming the copied file, create a new file and copy code to it. Note that making changes outside of Visual Studio may result in conflicting file names in the project. Always add or delete files within the Visual Studio. Repetitive addition or deletion of multiple files in a short time may leave traces behind. Update the project file for missing file references. If the project is shared with other programmers, make sure that the conflicting file is added to the source control. Ensure there are no spelling mistakes or spaces in the reference file names. Hopefully, the techniques mentioned in the video were helpful for you.